Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop.
Prescription ready and can be picked up. This message will be repeated. This message will repeat.
Well, the bathtub has been, now it's an 8-day project. Gonna go on into 10, I'm pretty sure, before we're all done. But it's in, the bathtub is in, it's the tub surround that's giving me the most fits. So I'm gonna walk you through some of the problems that I ran into. Because I have to hold the drill with both hands, and I don't have a tripod, we're just gonna let you look at it after I'm done. Well, there's the holes. Let's hope I got them in the right spot. Put that backer in there. I used a Kreg jig to fasten it in with screws. Made it so I could go in through into the studs on the sides. Did the same thing top and bottom. I fastened the faucet to the studs using a Kreg jig toe screwed board in there. And I'm going to do the same thing on this to fasten it in place. I'll just put a couple of Kreg holes in each side, and that'll lock it down. And when I tighten the tub faucet up, it'll come up against that and pull it up tight against that and secure it. And this is even with the face of the tub surround. So this needs to be there to keep it all in position. Gives it something to anchor to. One more board and the cross bracing is done, and it's all pushed up against the wall like it's supposed to be. One more board and the cross bracing is done. And Lydia has been, I couldn't have done it without her again. This has been one of those jobs that you're just kind of scared silly about. But it has worked perfectly. It has done everything I wanted it to do, and even better. So very happy. Tub surround is fastened in. I still have to caulk around the faucets, but the wall has to set. The adhesive, it holds the wall panels in place, has to sit overnight before I'm going to trust it. It screws in all the way around the outside, and then the back corners are interlocked. So I think we're good. Miserable son of a gun. But we got it. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.